literally came up and just hugged on my feet.
Loincloth. Great. Big old eyes.
Hi there.
Oh.
What a funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh. Should I get a dog? Oh.